Hi there everybody and welcome to Senior Project Week Update 4. Alright, so since last week we have done a few things. One, we have fixed whatever issue was going on with our spawning pointers. So now you see if I move player 2, he will actually spawn at this target point instead of wherever the hell he pleases. So that's very good, because I almost completely dropped using Unreal for this issue, but thankfully I did a little bit of Unreal magic and I got it working. Another thing that we've done is, if I hit play here again, our character moves, but also you might be able to tell that our camera now zooms in and out depending on how close our characters are. It is obviously not perfect. Those values can be adjusted once we know the actual play size, like play area of the two characters. As of right now, there's placeholder values. It only ever get this big and only ever zoom in this close. And it works even if the characters switch positions and switch directions that they're facing and everything. Well, that's gonna be something that I have to. I guess it won't be that big of a deal. Issues that we're running into currently. The only thing that I've noticed is that everything seems to be going a little slower than I want it to. For example, this animation for the run speed is pretty slow, but that's something that I'm sure I can fix once I overlay sprites on everything. Besides that, everything seems to be pretty smooth. No real big issues. I still have a few more resources that I'm pulling from to create the rest of this game. And the real issues start after spring break, because at that point I'm pretty sure I'll be fully caught up on all the resources that I've found at the moment, and I'll have to find new things to go off of in terms of how to make the rest of this game. Besides strictly game updates, I've been doing a lot of work with the person that I'm working with for the sound for my game. Just pure like audio tracks and stuff like that. In that section we've done a whole lot of progress, and we've narrowed down a lot of things and come up with a lot of ideas for how I want the game to sound, with the game being a fighting game based off of characters that have archetypes regarding sound, and it's very sound focused and music inspired. I believe that audio and sound is going to be very important for my game. So the fact that we're getting a lot of these answers now is very good and very promising. Besides that, there's not really much else to update. Tune in next week, whenever the next week I do this is, for your updates on how the project's going and everything.